Those that don't want me to get you, I'll leave you there. Bye, everybody. This.
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist. As you all can see, here we are in San Antonio at the Riverwalk. Now this is going to be one of my plain Jane videos. I'm not going to do much editing to it. What I am going to do is show my actual boat ride that I had while I was at the Riverwalk. If you all are curious about the company, this is a quick snippet of the website itself. What I ended up doing was I just googled hop on hop off bus in San Antonio and included both the bus ride and the ticket to this little boat ride. So if you want to do that, check it out. But here's the rest of the video. See you later. Now there is one last thing I want to mention before I let the audio and the boat tour just speak for itself. This tour operator we had, like, he was so animated. Like, I've never seen a grown man that animated before that hasn't been like drunk or high. So he was pretty hilarious, then it got kind of weird, then it was hilarious again. It was just kind of back and forth. So you all will kind of hear it if you watch the video, but again, just check it out. See you later. Peace out.
Exactly, it's not funny when you're working, right? You just got trying to entertain you somehow. Daniel, can y'all say hi, Daniel? Hi, Daniel. Hello, everybody. Now, before we start this tour, ladies and gentlemen, I do got some rules. Guys, most ladies, rules are all time. Two alumni graduated further down the line, though, and came back and said, hey, this would be a perfect place for a 4-star hotel. So to my left, everybody, they opened up the La Mansion del Rio in 1968. Now today, everybody known as the Omni La Mansion, a 4-diamond hotel. Now, I'm gonna ask y'all this question, but hey. Yes. All right, everybody, take a look to the left side of the boat. Everybody look to the left. Get comfortable real quickly. Here we go now. 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Look at the top of the building here to my left. Look all the way up to the top of that building. Whoa. Looks like a big old flat wall, huh? Oh, wow. Everybody, that right there is an optical illusion. As a matter of fact, that right there is actually the first fully air-conditioned full-service hospital built in the USA, known as the Nick Hospital. And built since 1930. Also, everybody, this one is live area. This is where all the clubs and everything goes on till 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning. Hotel in front of us, everybody. This is the Hyatt Hotel. In 1981, everybody, that Hyatt Hotel wanted to be the tallest hotel in the San Antonio area. But see, the daughters of the Republic said no. Anybody know why? Because everybody on the other side of this hotel is the Alamo. And it is said, you cannot cast a shadow upon the Alamo. Why not? In respect of the men who fought and died during the Battle of the Alamo. Yes, everybody, you know, when you go to most big cities, see a bunch of big tall buildings. That's one reason why, you know, now, the United States gets together, though, everybody. By the way, everybody, the mall is actually the second largest mall. The largest mall here in San Antonio would be North Star, but this is number 2, known as the Shops at River Center Mall. Now, as we make a nice little turn, everybody, here we go. By the way, does anybody have any off-the-wall questions at this time?
How many people follow the Riverwalk?
Oh, that's a good question. Yes, very good. We average about 500 a year. 495 of them are mostly intoxicated. The other 5 get pushed in by the 495. Anybody else?
Is there any fishies in the water?
Yeah, there's plenty of fishing. As a matter of fact, there's carp, catfish, perch, silver, rocket, so what I call. And just recently we got a new one, known as the cell phone. Yeah, we got some cell phones in here too. Meantime, this young lady over here is trying really hard, everybody. Y'all wave to her. She's been working hard lately. Y'all wave to her, you guys. Look at that, she's happy. Now, as we make a nice little turn, those of you, they come up text and they say, hey, text, we want y'all to be a part of the United States. And text, everybody don't be shy. Let's wave, here we go. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Y'all want to wave? Come on everybody, look at my hand, it's moving. How y'all doing over there? Come on everybody, drink some more water so you can drink more. How y'all doing over there? Hey, look at me, I'm driving with no hands. I'm driving with no hands. Hey, you guys over here, look at us, we're on a boat. By the way, everybody, these people are here. We call these people tourists. Yes, indeed, we call them tourists. Now, take a look to the right side. Table 51. Table 51. We're waving at you. Table 51. Table 52. What is she talking about? Table 61. Table 61. You guys look happy. Now, everybody, as you come along, everybody, here we go. And as we make a nice little turn, everybody, I'm going to ask y'all this question, but ladies and gentlemen, so far of what you've seen of this Riverwalk, how many of y'all think it's all natural? How many of y'all think it's all man-made? The hotel right there called the Fairmont. Now the Marriott comes up to the Fairmont and says, "We're going to knock down your hotel." Gentlemen, introducing
The Conservation Society. Yes, indeed.
2 miles per hour. It took them approximately 4 days to move this hotel where the Marriott's at right there. Then they went this way, down Market Street. We went down Market, made a quick left turn down Alamo. Now to this day, everybody, if you do go a block and a half way down Alamo, you'll find the Fairmont Hotel still there, ever since 1985. Now everybody, I know that sounds pretty amazing, but when you get a chance, everybody, and you're bored, go to YouTube. You can actually see the live video from 1985. Yes, everybody, remember, we had video in the 80s. Now, take a look to the right side of the boat, everybody, and up in the sky, you'll see a tower in the sky. Watch out, because, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to enter the Shops at River Central Mall. Yes, everybody, the mall. As we come along, we're now headed for the Shops at River Center Mall. We're not stopping at the mall. Now, as we move along, everybody, here to my right, everybody, is another location. We're recognized here by the boat, same tour, same time, but different boat captain. Meantime, we got 2 people on the boat right here. If you guys want to wave, you guys, let's wave at them. Hey guys, how you doing? Doing okay? All right, happy people, I like that. All right, see you later. Now, everybody, that right there is what we call our stationary tour. They never leave. Now, if you look around, everybody. By the way, everybody, if you guys don't know this by now, but our weather here in San Antonio is bipolar. Yeah, let me tell you. It's cold, it's hot, it's cold, it's weird. The reason why I say this, guys, because if you guys take a look straight ahead, everybody. Straight ahead, right now. All of Lemon's up there ready to go. Pretty soon you both are gravel and all these stuff. The other day, everybody had a young lady called Montana, and she said, "Excuse me, those are not." I said, "Ma'am, I hate to tell you this, but did you know what turned green before it turned yellow?" And she said, now, I tell you what, everybody, my Wall Street is just boat drive, and I thought you'd be driving both lines, because everybody, 2.5, y'all, I don't know, what do you think? There's a bridge, there's me, there's a bridge, there's me, there's a bridge, Main, bridge, Main. I mean, says y'all, is it meant to be or what?
Oh, wow.
Now, take a look to the right side of the boat, everybody. Now, everybody, this statue right here is called the St. Anthony del Papa. This statue was given to us by Portugal back in 1968. Everybody, give a round of applause. Welcome to San Antonio. Now, everybody, I'm going to tell you guys about a gentleman by the name of Mr. H.B. Zachary. Mr. Zachary, everybody, had his own construction company here in San Antonio. The city of San Antonio needed hotels done as soon as possible. So one end goes out, one end goes in, one end goes out. And it was all done by the Guinness Book of World Records of 202 working days. The colonial's first neighborhood. As a matter of fact, this is where the Spanish colonial soldiers immigrated, dating back as far as the 1600s. Now, let me tell you some really cool stuff, everybody. Your boat driver found out that I did a little ancestry before things happened and everything. And I found out, everybody, I am 49% Native American. Cool, huh? Yeah, by the way, my grandmother, she's not that side of the boat. And if you look to the right is the stage performance. Now, you look right above the stage, everybody, you'll see some bells up there. Those bells represent the missions here in San Antonio, except for the one in the middle actually represents Mr. Robert H. Hugman, who's known as the architect and father of the Riverwalk, like I already told you guys. Me, bridge, me, bridge, me, bridge, me, bridge, me, bridge, me. I mean, seriously, y'all, honestly, who writes this stuff? Wow. Now, as they come along, everybody, did you guys see the picture of the duck? Yeah? Okay, good. They're the most popular people on the river. As you take a look, everybody, look over to my right side of the boat, and you're going to see a cowboy on a horse with 3 bulls. Now, everybody, here on my right is known as the Frisco Western Art Museum. One thing about San Antonio, we're all about recycling and keeping things authentic. Why? Because the building you're looking at to my right was once known as our San Antonio Library from 1930 to 1968. Now today, known as the Frisco Western Art Museum. First Catholic Mass that happened along this river, June 13th, 1691. Now, they're on an island which is known as Marriage Island, everybody, where a marriage actually goes on here at least once a month. Yes, once a month they find love and passion. The longest running courthouse in the state of Texas. Yeah, this is my favorite shot. And nighttime too, it's real pretty. Also, if you take a look to the left side of the boat, look all the way up at the top of the building, you're going to see the flag. If you look close at an angle though, everybody, you can look and see, it looks like a ship that's at sea. But if everybody takes a look right behind me, you'll see floodgate number 5 down this way. Most people say, hey Dad, let's go all the way down to floodgate number 5. But I say, no way, Jose. Why? Because you take a look down that way. Now you're probably wondering, where's this water coming from? It's actually spring fed out of a system called the Edwards Aquifer. Yes, everybody. Go closer. And you count the 3 levels of windows right here. 1, 2, 3. You see the third level of windows up there, buddy? And how high that third level is, we'll give you an exact idea of every one of those in 1991. 2 of these for a good job well done. By the way, they're deeply, deeply appreciated. And also,
Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.